At a first glance, it may look like a device to turn a man into a superhero. But Robo-Mate is a tool designed for industrial workers to help them in complex and tiring situations. It's able to reduce the effort needed to lift a load and protects the spine from heavy lifting and sudden movements. You don't have to become a cyborg to stay safe when it comes to manual lifting, but over 25% of Europeans experience back injuries at work. This has been the inspiration for the Robo-Mate project to give workers a tool to decrease physical stress and risks.
This technology helps us to prevent back injuries. It allows us to move in different directions all day long. And in the end, it gives the men and women opportunity to work in the difficult tasks equally.
12 partners from 7 European countries have joined this EU-funded project geared mainly towards industrial applications. Here in Germany, the technical teams are at the final stages in the development of this technology.
Robo-Mate was developed to help industrial workers carry heavy loads, for example, this heavy box. With Robo-Mate, it isn't a problem. Do you want to try?
It's not just industrial workers who need help with heavy lifting. New developments will focus on expanding the range of end users.
For example, in the logistics sector at airports, baggage handling, there is a great need. Or in the medical sector, taking care of elderly people, nurses who have to lift heavy patients would be happy with a Robo-Mate system.
The Italian Institute of Technology has been involved in the final Robo-Mate trunk prototypes in the areas of comfort, weight and motion control. Having stronger arms is not much use if the worker struggles to handle the load. The device needs to feel comfortable after hours at work.
One of the most complicated areas of the system is to make it easy and comfortable to wear. Not too heavy. In this way, the user will be satisfied and he will feel that it's helpful.
To get a lighter exoskeleton, developers have worked to find solutions for every component. In the end, they found inspiration from the traditional backpack.
Within the project, I think that the most challenging aspect has been making the system as light as possible. Usually we use standard components like backpacks used by Sherpas, for instance, which are designed to carry heavy loads. But at the same time, they are comfortable.
A solution to have reliable control comes from medicine. It's a procedure largely used in biomechanics based on evaluating the electrical activity produced by skeletal muscles.
The technique we use is surface electromyography. We put one electrode on the skin which reads the activity of underlying muscles. These signals are processed and then we get the necessary information. The intensity of the force needed by the user at a specific moment will be provided by the Robo-Mate.
There are more improvements to come before the Robo-Mate becomes an everyday presence in European factories. The next step is to have workers accept it as a common tool of the trade rather than a kind of superhero accessory.